BCA is equal to
So you're not sharing the screen.
okay. Good. Now BCA, how to find BCA? From BCD, that is 80 degree, we are removing ACD minus ACD. There is no reason for that. So that is equal to 80 minus 30, that is equal to 50 degree. So BCA is 50 degree. We got BCA. That was the question. Now 8 point. Once we find BCA, now using triangle property in triangle BAC, angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus. Now see triangle BAC. This is 30 degree here. We found this is 50 degree. So I can find angle ABC. 50 plus 30. That is using angle sum property. So angle BAC is equal to 100 degree. Understood? Clear? Ninth one. We found ABC. ABC and sorry, BAC I wrote. It is BAC नहीं है. ABC. BAC is already given 30. In triangle BAC, we found ABC. Now we have to find ADC. So we have to use triangle property. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree minus, this is 70 here, okay, and this is 30 here. So I will get ADC, angle 70 plus 30, reason ASP, angle sum property. So angle ADC will be equal to 80 degree. Okay, that's it. Understood this? 18th one, very easy. Clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
19th one. In the figure, in the given figure, ACE is equal to 43 degree. This is already given 43 degree, and CAF is 62 degree. CAF is 62 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. Find the value of ABC. ABC. Okay. Fine. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Tell me how to find this. Angle CAF is equal to 62 degree. Second point, angle ACE is 43 degree. This both is given. I can use cyclic quadrilateral and find BDE. That will be 180 degree minus 62. That will be 118. After that, using linear pair, I can find C. Okay. After finding C, what else I can do? By triangle property, I can find this angle sum property, say, of ACE. And then I can, by linear pair, I can find this. Then by that, I can find B by using ASP. Okay, chalo, let's do it. But A is still remaining. How to find A? A will be चलो ए भी मिल जाएगा. Third point, quadrilateral ABDE is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. So fourth point, angle EAB is equal to angle BDE. Sorry, not equal to, plus BDE is equal to 180 degree. Reason, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay. Now fifth one is angle EAB is equal to, not EAB, EAB is already given. Angle BDE is equal to 180 degree minus, BDE is equal to 180 degree minus angle EAB, that is equal to 180 degree minus 62, that is equal to 118. So sixth point, angle EDF is equal to 180 degree minus angle BDE. Reason, linear pair, or we can use straight line property. So angle EDF is equal to 180 degree minus BDE, that is 108. So I will get 62 degree. So I got C. Therefore C is 62 degree. Okay. Now seventh में, in triangle ACE, in triangle ACE, if you see ACE, A is given, C is given, we have to just find E by angle sum property. So angle AEC is equal to 180 degree minus 62 plus 743. 62 plus 43 using angle sum property. So angle AEC is equal to 180 minus 105 degree. So that will be equal to 75 degree. So this is 75 degree. AEC AEC. This is 75 degree. If this is 75 degree, I can find A. Angle, what is the name? ABD plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. Reason, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so angle ABD is equal to 180 degree minus, just now I found ABD. ABD is equal to AAC. It is one and the same angle, 105 degree. So we got A. A is 105 degree. See in your figure, okay? Book. So we got A as 105 degree here. Now to find B, I can use the triangle ABF. In ABF, A is given, and angle B is given. We can find angle F by using ASP. So 10th में angle in triangle ABF, angle AFB is equal to 180 degree minus, one is 62 and one is 105, we just got. One is 62 plus 105 using ASP. So angle AFB is equal to 180 degree minus 167. That will be equal to 13 degree, right? And AFB is my B, angle B. Clear? Clear everyone? 19th one.
Sir, I have school. I will leave at 8 o'clock.
Okay. We will also just do one sum, then we'll leave. And how many sums are there now in this? I think, next lecture we will complete this. 25 sums are there, no? Means more 3 or 4 sums will be remaining. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Okay. We have to find CAD, this angle. Okay, we can find that. We can find this easily. First of all, first point, angle BCE is 80 degree. This is already given. So therefore, angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 80. Reason, linear pair, isn't it? So therefore, angle BCD is 100 degree. This whole is 100. Okay. Fourth point, angle DAB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Reason, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Now, fifth point, therefore, angle DAB is equal to 180 degree minus 100, that is equal to 80 degree. Okay. So, sixth point, angle DAB, the whole thing is 80. So, how much? So, how much? Therefore, angle CAD is equal to angle DAB minus angle CAB, that is 80 minus 25, that is equal to 55 degree. Okay. So this is 55 degree here. So angle CAD is 55 degree. Clear? So we got this as 55, this as 100. Now we want to find CBD. CBD. Okay. At this angle. Very easy. CBD is equal to CAD because angle CBD is equal to angle CAD equal to 55 degree. Why? Angle inscribed in a same arc. Angle inscribed. We can also write angle subtended by the same chord or same arc. We can also write angle inscribed in a same arc or same part. We found this also. Now we have to find ADC. ADC. This whole we have to find. Okay. Okay. To find this whole ADC, we want to find now. So in triangle, we'll see. Before that, in triangle ADC, angle ACD, see angle ACD, ACD is equal to CAB, alternate angle because the lines are parallel there. CAB. Alternate angles. Why alternate angles? Because AB is parallel to DC. So ninth point, angle ACD is equal to 25 degree. 10th point, if angle this part is 25, so I can find ADC by using triangle property. ADC will be, angle ADC will be 180 degree minus 25 plus 55. This is 55 here. ASP. So that is equal to 180 degree minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. Okay, so angle ADC is 100 degree. That's it. Clear? 20th sum clear, everyone? Easy. All the sums are easy. Okay. Trisha, stop the recording.